Guys, I'm here to do another really quick video. I don't know, I was getting dressed this morning and I thought about this. By the way, hi subbies, hi my new subscribers, welcome, come on in, keep coming. But really quick video. This, for some reason, I did my hair in this style this morning. I remembered that when I first started my locks, being able to tie my hair behind with my own hair was one of my biggest lock goals ever. And I'm like, that was like such a momentous time. My lock is from this to bam, tie it up, that, tuck it in, done. Hairstyles for days. But definitely leave below in the comment section, you guys, what were some of your lock what were some of your memorable lock moments and your lock goals, right? And let me know if you achieved them. Have a good day. Don't forget to leave